Here we have this propeller shaft, and we're changing the universal joint, CV joint. To remove it, the old one, what you'll need to do is you have this retainer right here. You'll need to open that up and remove it. Once you do that, this whole piece can come out. Then you have this that also slides out. Now to install it, we'll go ahead and slide this in. We do need to fasten it here. Once you do that, make sure you put this gasket in like so, and then you'll slide this in, but pay very careful attention to the old one that you removed, because if you look at this, you see these channels, these grooves right here come all the way to the edge, but on this side they don't. And this is the side that slides in, and then you put the retainer, the clip in here. So pay attention to the old unit that you have. Then you'll fill the boot with grease. Put some grease in here and put that on top. We have already done the other side. And when you put everything together, you're gonna make sure that you line up all these holes. So all these holes, and that's what we've done here. We actually have a zip tie going through one of these just to hold it together and line up until we are ready to install this. We'll cut that off and then put the bolts in. We do need to replace the bolts and torque them according to manufacturer's recommendations. Now that's it. Pretty easy DIY job. Plan probably in a couple of hours to replace this on most cars. It depends how difficult it is to remove this propeller shaft. In most cases, you do not need to remove parts except maybe the splash shield underneath the engine and a bracket or two, but you don't have to remove transfer case or differential to pull this out, because this can move back and forth and it's got some playroom there for you to pull that out. Thank you for watching.